What's up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? This is Moto Noir. I am out with my buddy Russ today. We are up in the Catskills, just getting lost, enjoying some roads. We just had to pull over because he picked up it looked like a large industrial staple in his rear tire. So we had to patch it up. A dual patch, and it looks like it's holding. So we're probably going to take it a little bit easy. Stop a couple times just to make sure that he's maintaining air pressure, as one does. But yeah. So yeah, we got to enjoy a few little nice roads before this. So hopefully everything is going to be good. He had never patched a tire before, so at least he got some experience with that now. And I'm gonna stay behind him and just make sure that everything looks good on his rear. We did the old spit test on the tire, so nothing was bubbling, so it looks like everything was holding and it's maintaining air pressure, no problem. So we'll just keep an eye on it. Otherwise, we're out in like in and around the Poughkeepsie, New York area. We're in the Catskills, and I think this is the Crunson area. The town over is Gardner, and I used to spend a lot of time with Cake in and around Gardner. There was a resort that we did, that we had a partnership, and we offered test rides to the guests at the resort. It's called Wildflower Farms. Wildfire, no. Check this out. This is an hour and a half outside of the city. And God, when you're in the city, you always forget that this exists. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think his wheel is looking pretty good. When I was dating my ex, we used to always talk about moving up into the Catskills and getting a place and keeping dirt bikes there and whatnot. To me, that was always a little bit of more of a dream, a fantasy than anything. She wanted to definitely make that a reality, but I just didn't see how I could ever afford to keep a place in the city and then also have a place upstate. It just seemed a little bit too far-fetched. Too much of a dream. And now it's definitely not going to happen, since I am a single man again. Who knows, maybe one day. Not this year, not next year, probably not even 5 years from now. I've got too much catching up to do. Oh man, it just smells good. Feels good to get out and just touch grass, you know? In the city you get so entrenched. Just entrenched in your weird bubble of a city. And then once you get away from it, you're like, oh yeah, things can be slow. can be, you know, greener. Hello, friend. Nope. Never mind. Cool. The rear looks perfect. Yep. So we took this this crazy hairpin of a turn. Like it was a hairpin turn. Gorgeous little turn. And the first time we did it, we were stuck behind vehicles, so we pulled off onto this little runoff area. I think that's where he picked up that crazy industrial staple. You know, it's hard to tell, but it was like right afterwards I definitely noticed that his rear tire was flattening out. And he noticed as well that he was beginning to like wallow a little bit. Love doing this sort of thing. You turn off your maps, you get yourself to the area, of course, and then you just turn everything off, and then you just find the roads. Oh, that was a big freaking well, I just got a big old smudge on my screen, my face shield. That was a large bug. Okay. So right now we are just riding to the next mountain pass, get some elevation, and then we'll hopefully hit up some twisty roads. Oh man. Okay, now we are approaching Phoenicia, and I know a few roads out here that are just absolutely gorgeous and brilliant, and we are going to hit them up. I wonder if he wants to stop first and check his rear tire pressure, but to me it looks very good. The number of times I've been out here and I still have trouble picking up landmarks until I'm like actually in the town. Oh, Woodstock. Good old Woodstock. Folks Festival, July 6th. Woodstock is right next to Phoenicia. Back in the 60s. Obviously Woodstock, the music festival, but those people, those hippies, they never left. They just kind of set up shop in Phoenicia and in Woodstock. So all these parts are very hippie oriented, if you will. Damn hippies! I really do need to mark these roads, the good ones, on the map, so I remember. My buddy Ducati MOSC does that, and he labels them. He gives them a TT name, TT stage. Me, I just ride. I'm just a dog chasing a bone. There's some amazing fishing out here, guys. If you're ever in upstate New York, you want to come up here to Roscoe, New York, which is like the fly fishing capital of the world, or, you know, this entire Catskill area, Phoenicia included. amazing fishing, just amazing. And there's Phoenicia Diner, the world famous Phoenicia Diner. Wave hello at Phoenicia Diner. It looked a little busy, but yeah, it's always busy. Alright, perfect. Alright, so we just ate at the Phoenicia Diner. And now we're going to head out and get some more riding in before heading back to the city.
I don't need to start a vlog because every time
yeah, you ride with us enough that you get to see yourself enough. Yeah. Ah, right. Now we're heading into the town of Phoenicia, and this is when things get beautiful, glorious. The roads, amazing. Just so much beauty, lots of camping all throughout here. Just need to remember where to turn off. Oh my goodness. Luckily Russ had visor cleaner and I was able to clean that huge bug off my visor. Jeez Louise, man, that was a big frickin' bug. This is the entrance to all the loveliness. Well, unfortunately, I'm stuck behind this car. Ugh. Come all that way just to get stuck behind this guy. Beautiful. That little crust is fun. That's what we're talking about. No traffic. God, I'd love to see it. A nice flowy road. Well, I don't know why my camera turned off midway through the ride. Hopefully the issue has corrected itself. I don't know. Oh man, beautiful upstate. Day trip, and now we're heading back. We're gonna hit up one more road, Uno Mas Road, and then bomb all the way back to the city, which will be kind of boring, so I won't bother